What the can you please stop saying that? What the?
Wait, this is water, Kuya. What ito?
We're like so far from the Firelands. This is not even the Firelands anymore.
What the
Holy
Technique ko
son of a.
I cannot even.
Oh my
Kuya,
god.
tingnan mo.
This is terrifying. I'm now scared of Minecraft. I think we've teleported too far. My goodness. Ugh. It's like. What the hell is happening to my game? I don't even know where I am anymore.
Right? No. My expectation mode is not
Uh, say Pinky.
pinky.
My game's lagging so bad. Where are you?
Ang PD ayun.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool and so creepy. Can you stop being spectator? Can you just be the regular? I'm gonna teleport you. Oh,
Bedrock.
I think we're falling. I don't like monkey. Okay. This is like the most creepiest thing I've seen so far. Wait, Pinky. Okay, I'm out. Ugh. Fly.
Ayan.
Go up. You're not gonna get any of that. I'm gonna teleport farther.
What happened to the ocean?
Farther this time. Oh crap. Where the hell are we? Are we in the farthest lands? Oh, there's the clouds. It's like very, very trippy. I regret going here. This is like the farthest I can go.
Magsisurvival ako.
No launch there.
Magsisurvival ako. Personal game mode.
Okay. Good luck. I think you will fall.
Ano? Ano?
Yes. It's
Keep inventory?
yeah. Well, they're so in the sky.
Keep inventory, hindi.
Yes.
Kahit sa mga pangako nung dapat ako, magpapareserve ako ng mga book.
Nah, I'm out of here.
Hana. Nakangatulatag mo na nga.
Bruh. Bye.
Bato ko lang
Bye, bye, bye.
Bato yan.